Hello students, Sairam. Okay, now in the last class we have finished with the portion for essay 1. So from today onwards we'll be doing the revision of all the chapters. So today in part 1, let us take a quick recap of chapter 1 and solve some sums. Okay? Yes. Now in the first chapter we have already studied about Indian and international system of numeration. We have also learned about the comparing Indian and international system of numeration, expanded and short form, also the place value and face value of the number. We have also studied about the predecessor and successor of a number. Also to compare and write the numbers in ascending and descending order. And in juggling with numbers, we have learned how to form the largest and smallest number with the given digits. We also learned about rounding off numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. And based on this, we also learned how to solve some of the word problems. Yes, let us take a quick just recap of all the topics. Now, comparing Indian and international system of numeration, we have learned up to 10,000 both systems, that is, follow the same place value names. However, the thousands, the names change as shown. That is, in the Indian system, one spirit has 3 places, thousands, lakhs and crores have 2 places each. We studied that in international system of numeration, all periods have 3 places. That is, after every 3 digit we put the commas. In the Indian system, starting from the extreme right, put commas after the 3rd digit, 5th digit and 7th digit. And in the international system, starting from the extreme right, put commas after the 3rd digit, 6th digit and 9th digit. Okay? Yes. Then about the expanded and short form, we learned how to write the number in expanded form. That is, in expanded form, we write the number as the sum of the place values of its digits. Whereas to write the number in short form or in standard form of an expanded number, we have to write the face value of each digit in the correct place. Now, place value is the place where the digit stands, that is in thousands or hundreds or 10,000s place, whereas the face value of the number does not change, it remains the same. Now in predecessor and successor, we have learned that successor of a number is obtained by adding 1 to it. That is, for example, if the number is 1,23,445, and when we add 1 to it, your number becomes 1,23,446. Whereas the predecessor of a number is obtained by subtracting 1 from it. That is, if the number is 34,213,211, if we subtract 1 from it, we get the before number. So what is predecessor? Predecessor is the before number, and successor, you can say it is the after number. Now in comparison and ordering of numbers, we have learned how to compare the 2 digits. Now in comparison, we have learned that a number which has more digits is always greater. Now in this example, you can see 29,432 and 9,807. 9,807 is a 4-digit number, whereas 29,432 is a 5-digit number. So this number is greater than 9,807. Now when 2 numbers have the same number of digits, we start comparing from the extreme left, that is the highest place value, and then move right to the smaller place values. That is, if the number has got the same digits, we see the number at the in which place it is. Okay. Then in juggling of numbers, we have learnt how to form the largest and the smallest number. Now suppose the digits are given. To form the largest number, out of this we write from large, that is big number, to small that number. So here if we have to form a larger number, that is 7, 6, then comes 5, 3 and then 2, that is 76,532. And the same thing if you have to form a smaller number, we start from the smaller number, that is 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7, that is 23,567. Okay, now for the rounding of numbers, we learned some rules for rounding of the numbers. That is, if the number you're rounding off is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, round the number up. For example, 38 is rounded to the nearest 10, that is 40. That is, if we have to round the number to the nearest 10, we will see the number in the ones place. And if we have to round off the number in the hundreds place, we will see the number in the tens place. If we have to round the number in the thousands place, we will see the number in the hundreds place. Now here 38, we have to round off the number to the nearest 10. So if the number in the ones place is more than 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we will add 1 to the number in the tens place, that is it will become 4, and in the ones place you will put a 0. Okay, so children, all these topics we have already done. It is just a revision for you. Now if the number you are rounding is followed by 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, that is if the number is less than 5, you can say we will round the number downwards. That is, same way 33 is rounded to the nearest 10 is 30. Why? Because the number in the ones place is 3, that is less than 5. So we will not add 1 to the number in the tens place. This 3 in the tens place will remain as it is. You will just write the 0 in the ones place and round the number to the nearest 10, that is 30. Yes, let us quickly solve some sums. Okay, now coming to the first question, that is choose the correct option. Here the first question is 30 lakh is equal to dash million. Now students, when you write 30 lakh according to the Indian number system, the number 3 is in 10 lakhs place. So we have to write it is dash millions. The same number, if you write it according to the international number system in millions place, it is number 3. Okay, so your correct option is number 3, the first option. Now your second question is the largest 8-digit number that can be formed using the digits, that is 908743225. Now to form the largest number, you will write the bigger number first. So that is 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2 and then 0. Place the commas. Okay, so which is your correct option? Your correct option is your B1. So first, wherever you have to solve the sum, solve it and then take the correct option. Coming to the third question. Okay, now when dash is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Now children, we have already learned in this chapter that to any number, that is if we add 0 to any number, the number does not change, it remains the same. So to any number, if you add 0 to it, the sum of that number does not change, it is the number itself. So which is your option? Your option is, that is 0. Okay. Now the predecessor of the number, that is 45,321,620 is dash. Now here predecessor means the before number. So you will first will see the last digit. So last digit is 620. So from 620, if you subtract 1, so that will be, you will get a before number. So 620 minus 1, that is 618. Now you are having two options with 619. So see the number, other numbers. Now here it is 45, 45. In the thousands place it is 321. Here it is 322. So which is your correct option? Your correct option is the A1. Okay. Now the face value of the number 8 in the number, that is 60,48,102 is. Now I have already told you that the face value of the number does not change. It remains the same. Whereas the place value, if it is asked, it shows that in which the digit is in which place, whether it is in hundreds place, thousands place or 10,000s place. But the face value of the number in any number, it does not change, it remains the same. So here the face value of the number 8 in the number 60,48,102 is, your option is the C1. Okay children? Yes. Now coming to the next question, that is tick whether true or false. You have to say whether the statement is true or false. Now the first one is 7 lakh is equal to 70,000. Now you just work out here and see, that is now 70, if you multiply it by thousands, 1000, you will get the answer as 70,000. But here it is said 7 lakh. So is the statement true or false? Your statement is false. Now the successor of 9,99,999 is 10 lakhs. So is it correct? Now see here, this number is a 6-digit number and here it is a 7-digit number. So successor means plus 1. So to this number, if you add 1, do you get this number? Yes. So your answer is true. Okay. Now the place value of the number 6 in the number is 6,000. So is it true or false? Now here in this number, that is 8,25,657, the number 6 is in hundreds place. But the statement tells us that the place value is 6,000. So is it true or false? The statement is false. Yes, coming to the next one. 1,855 when rounded off to the nearest 100 is 1,900. Now just round off the number and see. Now when you have to round off the number to the nearest 100, you will see the number in the tens place. Now what is the number in the tens place? The number is 5. Okay. So 5 means you will add 1 to the number in the hundreds place. That is 8 will become 9. So 1 9, other places 0. So the answer is true. So your number will become 1,900. So your statement is true. Now the fifth one, the largest number formed using the digits 4, 6, 9, 0, 1, 2 and 8 only once is 986 4201. If you just put the comma and read it, it will be 98,64,201. So is the statement true or false? Now just form the largest number and see. That is 9. It should be 9, 8, 6, 4, 2. After 2, from 0 and 1, which is the bigger number? 1. So your number should be this and not this. So your statement is false. Now in international system of numeration, all periods have 2 places. Is it true or false? It is false. Why? Because in international system of numeration, all periods have 2 places. Yes, in international system of numeration, all periods does not have 2 places. It has 3 places. Whereas in Indian system of numeration, we have in the ones place only we have 3 places. Rest all we have got 2 places. Whereas in international system of numeration, all the periods have 3 places. So here your answer is false. Okay. Okay. Now coming to the third question here, children, you have to solve the following and then take the correct answer. You don't have to just see and take. You have to solve it in your rough book and then take the correct answer. Now here it is, find the sum of the underlying digit in the number, that is 9,08,53,746. Now here the thing is, first thing you will have to find the sum of the underlying digit. Now in which place is 8? 8 is in lakh place and 3 is in thousands place. So what is your option? That is, what is your answer? That is 8 lakh plus 3,000. So your option, when you add, you will get the answer as 8 lakh 3,000. So your correct option is the B one. Okay. Now the expanded form of the number, given number, that is 48 lakh 27,163 is. Now you have to write the expanded form. Now the 4 is in which place? It is in 10 lakh place. 8 is in lakh place. 2 is in 10,000s place. 7 is in thousands place. 1 is in hundreds place. 6 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place. So 4 is in 10 lakhs place. So 10 lakhs means how much? 0? 6 0. Just see which option it is. You have to then carefully take the answer. So 2 is in 10,000, that is 20,000. 7 is in thousands place, 160 and then 3. So just see which is the option, correct option. So your correct option is the A1, the first one. Okay, where 4 is in 10 lakhs place, 8 is in lakh place, 2 is in 10,000s place, 7 in thousands place, 1 is in hundreds place, 6 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place. Coming to the next, third one. Okay. 1 added to the largest 8-digit number. Now largest 8-digit number is, your largest 8-digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Now when you add 1 to it, that is, you will get the successor number, that is, you will get a smallest 9-digit number. So which is your correct option? The first one is a 8-digit number, second one is a 9-digit number, and third one is a 7-digit number. But when we add 1 to the largest 8-digit number, we get the smallest 9-digit number. So which is your correct option? Your correct option is the B1. Now the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. Okay, the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. So what you have to do here is, first you have to form the largest number. So your largest number will be 9874320. Form the largest number and then same way form the smallest number and then subtract it. Now when you subtract it, what is the answer you will get? You will get the answer as 78 lakh 39,531. So you have to just solve it first and then choose the correct option. So here you will get the option as 78 lakh 39,531. Okay, so your next question, that is fifth one, is 10 more than 100,000. Now what is the number when you add 10 to 100,000? So you just add it and see. When you write 100,000 and when you add 10 to it, your answer is 0 1 0 0 0 1, and when you place the commas, your answer is 100,010. So which is your correct option? Your correct option is the C1, that is 100,010. Okay, now so students, practice well for your exams. Be thorough with all the topics. So in the next class, we will revise chapter 2. Till then, thank you for today and have a great day. Bye bye.